Hello friends. Hey, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I welcome all of you on our school's YouTube channel. Friends, in English of 8th standard, today we are going to learn 2.1, the poem Try Again. The poem written by W.E. Hickson. William Edward Hickson was a British education writer. He has given very unique message in this poem, and the message is very important for all of us. Before going to explain the theme or before going to tell the theme, I would like to tell you one important line. Try to remind who said this line. Listen the line very carefully. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Yes, remind the line. Yes, friends, most of you have definitely or certainly thought that the line is said by Swami Vivekananda. The same message is imparted, the same message is conveyed in this poem. The poem conveys that if you want to reach success, if you want to get success, only one rule is there, and that is try again. Very important rule is mentioned in this poem. So very nice message is given in this poem. How the poet try to tell us this message through the different conditions that is given here. But before going to understand the poem, let me read the poem. Listen it carefully. While listening, it is also possible for all of you to understand it. Till try to listen. Listen the poem. It is a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, it's no disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should we do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward, try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. Definitely, when I have read this poem, which is the very important line repeated in this poem? Yes, think about it. Obviously, most of you have thought that, sir, try again is a very important line, or it is the line repeated in this poem. And that is the important message conveyed through this poem. See what is given here. It's a lesson you should heed, try again. Very first two lines, very important lines. It is. It is a lesson you should heed. It is a lesson you should heed. ही महत्वाची गोष्ट आहे. You should heed. What is the meaning of heed? Heed means to pay attention. To give attention, pay attention. लक्ष देणे. मित्रांनो, लेखक आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सांगतात, सर्वात महत्वाची गोष्ट ज्याकडे तुम्ही लक्ष दिलं पाहिजे, आणि ती गोष्ट इतर कोणती नसून ट्राय अगेन. काय म्हणता बघा ते पुढे. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Yes. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Before going to explain this line, I would like to tell you one important proverb, idiom. Failure is a stepping stone to success. What is the meaning of it in Marathi? Think. Yes, right, friends. अपयश ही यशाची पहिली पायरी असते. That is the important. That is the same conveyed through these lines. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Friends, while trying, it is not compulsory for everyone that who can or he or she can win. Maybe first attempt will lead you failure, but don't afraid to it. Don't afraid to it. If you do not succeed, you should try again. Continue your work, continue your effort, then you will succeed. Then see the next lines. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. What a very important message, or a very nice message is conveyed through these lines. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. If you do your work with perseverance, what is the meaning of perseverance? Yes, let me know. Think about it. Perseverance ज्याला मित्रांनो आपण चिकाटी म्हणतो. कंटिन्यू इन एफर्ट्स ज्याला आपण चिकाटी म्हणतो, राईट. तर परसिव्हरन्स जर आपण शो करत असू, चिकाटीने जर आपण सातत्याने जर काम करत असू, जिद्दीने जर आपण काम करत असू, डेफिनेटली वी विल कॉन्कर, वी कॅन शो आवर करेज. दिस परसिव्हरन्स विल हेल्प अस टू शो आवर करेज. या परसिव्हरन्सने, या चिकाटीने, या जिद्दीने आपण आपलं धाडस दाखवू शकतो, which can lead us to success. And if we do our work with perseverance, then there is no problem at all to fear anything. जर जिद्दीने, जर चिकाटीने आपण ते कार्य करत असू, तर आपल्याला कुठल्याही गोष्टीची घाबरण्याची गरज नाही. So only important thing is that if you are doing your work with perseverance, and that work is nothing but your work should be your work, you must do your work continuously, and that means you should do try again and again. या पद्धतीने आपल्या कार्य जर आपण चिकाटीने करत असू, तर निश्चितच आपल्याला त्यामध्ये यश मिळणार आहे. बघा काय म्हणतात त्यानंतर पुढे. नेक्स्ट टू लाईन्स. Once or twice though you should fail, try again. I think lines are very easy. These lines are very easy. But friends, before going to explain these lines, I would like to tell you, very important here is that, have you seen the wall painting drawn on the wall nearby our school's computer lab? If you go by that side, you can find above in the wall painting in circular form. What is that? See, it is this. It is what? Think, idea, try, do again and again, keep doing, and of course, success. Very important message, very significant message is conveyed through this wall painting also, through this wall picture also, which we can see on our school's wall. मित्रांनो, आपल्या शाळेच्या कम्प्युटर लॅबच्या बाजूला 10वी क चा वर्ग जो आपला आहे, त्या 10वी क च्या वर्गाच्या बाजूला त्या ठिकाणी वरच्या दिशेने एक सुंदरसं चित्र काढलेलं आहे. आणि ते चित्र म्हणजे त्या चित्रातील मेसेज म्हणजे आपल्या पोएम मधील मेसेज. डू युअर वर्क अगेन अँड अगेन, कीप डुईंग, अँड ऑब्वियसली इट विल लीड यू टू सक्सेस. हे तुम्हाला यशाकडे घेऊन जाईल. आपलं वर्क जे आहे, आपलं कार्य जे आहे, हे सातत्याने जर सुरू ठरलं तर हे आपल्याला यशाकडे घेऊन जाईल. अँड दॅट इज व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली इज गिवन इन दिस लाईन्स. Once or twice you should fail, try again. Once or twice, oh, no problem at all. If we fail once or twice, still we should try again. That is given here, or that is told here. Then see the next lines. If you would at last prevail, try again. Very important line. Prevail. You can say that gain mastery. Prevail means gain mastery. Here you can find that prevail means win or winning. If you won, if you got success. So friends, if you got success, till you should not leave your attempt. You should try again and again. That is exactly is conveyed through these lines. If you would at last prevail, try again. Means if you win, still you try again. If you fail, still you try again. So again and again, if we do the work, if we do that work again and again, it will definitely lead to success. See the next lines. If we strive, it is no disgrace, though we should not win the race. What should we do in that case? Try again. Strive. What is the meaning of strive? Strive म्हणजे मेहनत घेणे, प्रयत्नाची पराकाष्ठा करणे. Friend, what is the message is given here? If you are doing very hard, still if you lose the match or if you lose the race, there is no disgrace at all. जर प्रयत्नांची पराकाष्ठा तुम्ही करत असाल तरी जर आपण रेस हारलो तर कुठलीही मानहानी, कुठलाही कलंक तो नसतो. बट पोएट इज सेइंग हियर दॅट वी शुड ट्राय अगेन अँड अगेन. तर रेस जरी आपण हारलो तरीही आपण त्या ठिकाणी प्रयत्न केला पाहिजे. प्रयत्नांची पराकाष्ठा करत असताना म्हणजे भरपूर मेहनत घेत असताना जरी आपण एखादी गोष्टीत हारलो, एखादी ठिकाणी आपण फेल्युअर झालो तरी आपण त्या ठिकाणी प्रयत्न केले पाहिजे. तो मेसेज किंवा तो एक सुंदर असा सल्ला लेखक या ठिकाणी आपल्याला देत आहेत. नेक्स्ट, इफ यू फाइंड युअर टास्क इज हार्ड, ट्राय अगेन. इफ यू फाइंड युअर task is hard, friends, it is clear that everyone's task is not easy, but it is very important also that we can do it easy by trying again and again. प्रत्येकाचे कार्य हे सोपे नसते, कोणाचेही कार्य ते सोपे नसतात. परंतु आपण प्रयत्नांची पराकाष्ठा जर करत असू किंवा आपण प्रयत्न जर करत असू तर निश्चितच हे कार्य सोपे जाते. म्हणून लेखक म्हणतोय, इफ यू फाइंड युअर टास्क इज हार्ड, ट्राय अगेन. टाइम विल ब्रिंग यू युअर रिवॉर्ड, ट्राय अगेन. सी, टाइम विल ब्रिंग यू युअर रिवॉर्ड. इफ यू आर ट्राइंग अगेन एंड अगेन, टाइम विल लीड यू टू सक्सेस. टाइम विल होल्ड सक्सेस. टाइम विल होल्ड सक्सेस अँड इट विल गिव्ह यू सक्सेस. जर तुम्ही प्रयत्न करत असाल तर डेफिनेटली वेळ तुम्हाला यश घेऊन येईल. वेळ निश्चितच वेळ जे आहे हे तुमच्याकरता यश घेऊन येईल. या पद्धतीचा एक सुंदर असा मेसेज लेखकाने या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे. सी द लास्ट 2 or 3 lines. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. All other folk can do. Poet is telling us, if other folk means what? Folk means what? Folk means people. Folk means mass, that is people. Other folk can do, with patience may not you. Then why with patience may not you? जर इतर लोक संयमाने, पेशन्स मीन्स व्हॉट, संयम ज्याला आपण म्हणूया, इतर लोक जर संयमाने त्यांचं कार्य करत असतील तर निश्चितच तुम्ही सुद्धा हा नियम लक्षात ठेवला पाहिजे. संयमाने आपलं कार्य केलं पाहिजे आणि हा नियम, या नियमानुसार आपण हे कार्य केलं पाहिजे. आणि तो नियम दुसरा तिसरा कोणता नसून दॅट इज ट्राय अगेन. सो इफ यू ट्राय अगेन अँड अगेन, डेफिनेटली you will win, you will get success. That is the very important message given in this poem. I hope friends you definitely have understood the poem and liked the poem. Till then we will continue next part after this. Till then, goodbye. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.